Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today I will show you how to set up a WhatsApp web on your PC. And remember, your WhatsApp will stay in your phone too. Please watch until the end. So let's get started. Open your browser. For me, I will use Incognito tab to avoid bringing the WhatsApp I have set in already. So on your browser, search web.whatsapp.com and hit enter. Now take your phone and open WhatsApp. Go to three dots and click WhatsApp web. Then scan those codes using your phone. Congrats, you have successfully connected to WhatsApp web. Now you are good to go. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials that will make your life easier.